Ever hit a wall when Zapier's Text-to Discovery page pulls in messy or incomplete data? You're definitely not alone, and today, we're cracking the code to fix it. Let's dive into troubleshooting Zapier's Text-to Discovery page action, so your web page scraping dreams become a reality. First up, verify your URL. A simple typo here is the most common culprit. Make absolutely sure the web address you've entered is correct and accessible then. Check your path. This is the specific selector that tells Zapier what data to grab if it's incorrect. Zapier won't be able to find your information. To find the right path, open the web page in your browser, right-click on the data you want, and select Inspect or Inspect Element. This will open developer tools. Look for unique identifiers like class names or IDs associated with the element containing your desired text. Copy that identifier and paste it into the path field in Zapier. For example, if the element has a class like articletitle, your path would be articletitle. If it's an ID like main content, your path would be main content. Now let's talk about unexpected data formats. Sometimes, even with the correct path, the data might come back with extra spaces, line breaks, or unwanted characters. The solution: use Zapier's built-in formatter. Add a formatter step right after your Text-to Discovery page action. Within the formatter, choose Text, and then look for operations like Trim Whitespace to remove leading and trailing spaces, or Replace to swap out specific characters or patterns you don't want. You can chain multiple formatter steps to clean your data effectively. Finally, remember to test thoroughly. After making adjustments, run a test of your Zap to ensure the data is being extracted accurately and formatted as expected. By systematically checking your URL, refining your path using browser developer tools, and leveraging the power of Zapier's formatter, you'll be well on your way to mastering the Text-to Discovery page.